responding to questions. All right. And just for a few examples here, and we're going to show you the site here in a minute. There's a site called Quora. I think it's Quora, and it's Quora.com, and you can sign up for free. So let's go there real quick. Let you guys see what that looks like. So there it is. You can sign up for free. You put in your email address, and then you put in your password, right? And then what you can do is you can set up, because I'm on Quora, I haven't used it in a while, but what you can do is you can set up your little profile, and you can pick from a whole bunch of categories like fashion, cooking, martial arts, driving, whatever. There's a whole list of entrepreneurship, self-defense, and there's a whole bunch of lists. You can click on the things that you are knowledgeable in, and then you can pose questions and answer those questions. And at the same time, other people might start asking you questions, and then you can respond to those questions as well. All right. And while you're doing that, people are getting to know you. And at the same time, they're getting to know how knowledgeable you are. And it's just a matter of time. It doesn't have to be a lot of people, but you never know who's asking you questions. It could be somebody real important or very influential, and they might end up wanting to get in contact with you more, maybe want to do something with you. All right. They might want to do a seminar with you, or they might want to host a seminar and you be the lead speaker, the lead teacher, or you might be involved in they might want to invite you into a speaking engagement and you be the lead speaker, or it might be a list of speakers on a particular topic that you might have put down here in Quora. So again, that's another way to promote your brand, is going by Quora and answering some questions. Now, another way of doing it is on social media as well. All right. So I just pulled up Facebook, and so we're just going to take a look at that real quick. And I just pulled up a particular Facebook page, Survive and Protect. And for instance, this is a page involving self-defense, survival, martial arts, so to speak. But people are going to ask you questions there, or they might have some questions like this one right here. Looking down here real quick, here is a GIF, and it's talking about cover and concealment, right? And down here is a gentleman who asked the question, is there more, because this doesn't provide much at all. All right. So then the response was like, sure, check out this video and click the link. And so they click on the link and they'll be able to play this video and get more answers. So you're answering and you're responding to people. And when you do that, that person here might go to somebody else and say, hey, man, check out this page. You could talk to this guy. And you end up becoming bigger and bigger, more influential, and you're promoting yourself or your brand, and it's going to expand because one person is going to tell another going to tell another. They might share your videos. You might have people coming to your particular page and you might have more likes, beginning to have more likes if they're interested in the topics of self-defense and personal protection. And then you'll be building your brand. All right. So those are 3 more ways. Again, create an event, just to go back, create an event, create a contest, and respond to questions. All right. So those are 3 more ways on top of the 3 ways you had previous. So now you got 6 ways so far on how to promote your personal brand, your business, an event, your product or service. All right.